Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 575 and that is in continuation of chemistry of coronavirus and our daily life part 2. In part 1 I was discussing about all those factors comparing HIV AIDS and coronavirus COVID-19. The similar circumstances we are facing what we faced in 1980s and today. So I was discussing about the third group. First group, corona positive, no symptom. They are carrier. They have good immune system. Second group, some little symptoms, but they are not yet COVID-19 patient. They are infected. There is one thing infection, other one is disease. There is a difference in that. You can be infected. You can be positive of coronavirus or HIV. But you cannot be COVID-19, you cannot be AIDS patient. It's a big difference. So two group of people, first and second, there is no need for them to be treated, to be quarantined. They are okay. And the third group, what they are suffering, they are admitted to hospital because of chronic condition, is because of their very low parameter of their medical history, because some of them are above 70 or 60, they are senior citizen. Secondly, they might be suffering from diabetes, hypertension, blood pressure, anemia, pneumonia, and hepatitis, some liver problem, some sickle cell problem, means they are already diseased either by some bacteria or virus or because of metabolic disorder. So with those conditions, their immune system is already compromised. They have already very low immune system, and in that the body immune system, you have already compromised those people who are aged. 70 age group means your body immune system is compromised. If at that time, most of those people are always sick. They have some medical condition. So you have two negative factor. So your total body immune system is already compromised, it is low. So you cannot sustain the infection of coronavirus and it will be converted into COVID-19. Where what will happen? First, your lung will stop working, means there will be we can say storm of inflammation, and that inflammation your lung cannot sustain, and with that inflammation lot of body tissue will be in pieces and there will be formation of blood clots. Your body organs will not be getting enough oxygen to sustain, and that's why it will be total multiple organ failure. That is the total chemistry and day-to-day life of corona virus. Now, the second part I am discussing, that is your, so here point wise I am going to discuss some points about the corona virus and confusion in our daily life. First thing, let me tell you that sitting in the room inside house, eating deep fried chicken, roasted chicken or roasted beef, that is called suya, or drinking sugary fruit juice is not going to improve or to boost your immune system. Is wrong thinking. You are misguided. Only your immune system will improve when you are relaxed, you are facing outside nature, getting very good oxygen, air, fresh sunlight, talking, discussing, interacting with this, physical distancing. That is interaction, that normal life, that your fruit and vegetable, they are responsible of boosting your immune system, not taking lot of suya and fat and deep fried material inside house. So here number 1 point, let me make it very clear. Now you cannot be protected by taking hot ginger tea or any type of green tea. Once your virus has been penetrated in your respiratory tract cell, means your cell is kidnapped, nothing will work. No hot water will work, no ginger tea or green tea will work. The second point, wearing mask. Actually, wearing mask is creating a lot of problem. Some people, they fell down, they became unconscious because of deficiency of oxygen, because they were wearing mask from morning till evening for more than 20 hours. Some athletes, they were practicing by putting mask. Enough oxygen was not going, body was not oxygenated, they fell down. So please, you should wear the mask only when you are in crowded place in market and for short duration of time. If somebody is coming and talking to you, because it is your coronavirus is droplet, it will fall within the range of 2-3 meter, then you should put the mask. The moment he goes, you remove it. And you should not repeat using that mask. The best thing is that if you cannot afford to buy, immediately go and just use simple soap. And nowadays, another group of marketers, commercial people came, lot of medicated soap, antibiotic soap, antiseptic soap is flooding. You don't need all those rubbish. It's all marketing. You need simple, any sodium or potassium salt of fatty acid, that is called soap. It is enough to destroy and damage, not to kill, because virus is not living organism. So you should not be in confusion. You use only mask for short duration of time, whenever it is required, and after that you remove it immediately. And then, if you cannot afford, you wash it with your soap or detergent, put within 15 minutes, it will be ready for use. Number 3, staying at home reduces your immune system and weaken you. That I have already told you. That sitting in house, eating deep fried suya and drinking fruit juice is not going to boost your immune system. Make sure. Number 4, we should accept the coronavirus for long duration of time. It is not guessed that it will go back, it has come and go back maybe within 1 week, 2 weeks or 6 months. No. It has become part of our life. We should learn how to live along with coronavirus in the same way like we are living with HIV, Ebola virus, SARS-2, MERS-2, like that. So now coronavirus is part of our life, and we have to take all measures to protect us. Once we are young, we are not having any medical condition, our medical parameters are not down, it will come like common cold and it will go. And if once we have developed the antibodies, we should not worry about it. Only senior citizens with medical conditions and disease, they are at high risk. And number 5, we cannot destroy or damage coronavirus once it has been penetrated in our cell. Once it has gone inside our cell, your cell is kidnapped. Is the best kidnapper of cell, just like human being, children. And once your normal cell is kidnapped, it is dictated by the RNA of your coronavirus, and to replicate, produce the photocopies in millions immediately of the same type of coronavirus. And then your trachea, your lung and all are infected and you are diseased. Number 6, physical and social distancing. Physical and social distancing is the best way, best preventive measure, not cure, so that at least coronavirus is not within your reach. Then number 7, if you don't have COVID-19, if you are not having any patient in your house with COVID-19 disease, no need to infect the surface with disinfectant after every 3-4 hours every day. No need. Just simple cleaning is enough. Number 8, ATM or any shop, cart or bucket, what we are using at shopping center will not carry coronavirus, COVID-19 disease. You just wash your hand is enough. You should not be afraid of it because a lot of fear is created now. Don't go to ATM. Don't touch that metal. Don't touch that bucket. Don't touch that cart. It's not like that. If you are taking care of your hand, washing with simple water or simple soap is enough. Number 9, COVID-19 is not food infection. You should not have confusion. It is not the infection by food, like cholera or some other thing. It is the infection by droplet. If somebody is sneezing, somebody is coughing, then you can get, not by food. Number 10, you can lose your smell sense. Actually, losing smell sense, sniffing power, is not only by coronavirus. Sometimes when we are infected by flu virus, common cold virus, I need some other allergy, we are losing our smell power. So it is not the indication that once you are not smelling means it is coronavirus. This wrong impression is given. By any simple infection, common cold, we can lose our smell sense. It's not by necessary that only by coronavirus. Number 11, COVID-19 virus does not hang in air. It's not hanging in air and moving here and there. It is a droplet within the range of 2 to 3 meters. And last but not least, immunity is not increased by sitting at home and consuming deep fried roasted suya or taking sugary drink. You should go to park, spend some time, sit there, take fresh air and enjoy the nature. That is the way of boosting your immune system. In the last but not least, if suppose I am showing coronavirus positive without symptom, I will be happy. That it means my body immune system is very strong and after fighting I have developed the antibody, so I will be thankful to nature. So if you are having coronavirus positive without symptom, you should be thankful to Allah. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.